Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. Are you thinking about starting an LLC in Georgia? You've come to the right place. Forming an LLC here is straightforward, but you do need the right partner to handle everything correctly and privately. If you look on this page, you will see all the key details that you need to know, a full step-by-step guide how to form an LLC. For example, the state filing fee is $100, the annual registration is $60, the state income tax is a flat 5.19%, 7 business days to process, and so much more. There are a few key steps you absolutely need to get it right, like appointing a registered agent and filing your certificate of organization. You could do this all by yourself, but my top recommendation to make it more smooth and private is Northwest Registered Agent. They are my number one pick for Georgia, because here's the problem: if you do it yourself, if you list your own address, it becomes public and you will get spam and you could miss critical legal documents. But by doing it via Northwest, they will solve that entirely and with privacy. For only $39 plus the state fee, they handle the full formation. But here's the real value. They include a free registered agent service for 12 months. And that alone saves you over $100 a year. Their customer service is US based, it's privacy focused, and they're incredibly fast. And you get a free business address and mail scanning as well. So the rest of this page has a complete step-by-step guide for Georgia, including the tax info and important deadlines. And to get your Georgia LLC started the right way, just click this link to Northwest. It will take you to their page and they will handle all the rest. All right, I wish you all the best with your LLC in Georgia. See you in the next guide. Bye.